Good morning, everyone. I am Medhavi Gautam of class 9th D from PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya, Coimbatore. Today, I am here to present my model on the 53rd Rashtriya Bal Vigyanik Pradarshani. My model is titled as AgriCycle Zero Emission Integrated Farming. India faces a big scarcity of water where plants are not properly grown and are not getting sufficient water. For that, here in this model, everything is reused and have been utilized in a manner where everything can be productive for everything another. With the closed loop system of irrigation, here is a hydroponic farm system. We have a solar panel powered for everything. In case whether the sunlight is not present, we have a battery attached with it. Here is the farm shed area where farm waste will go to this biogas unit where the farm waste will be converted into fresh fertilizer, reducing fertilizer cost and producing fresh cooking gas so that it is low cost and utilizing every single thing to make it to use it properly. First we have this farm shed where the animal waste will be converted into organic manure for the crops so that we can save the fertilizer cost. Secondly, the animal waste will go through this pipe into the biodigester unit and it will be converted into fresh fertilizer for our crops and it will produce fresh cooking gas for cooking purpose. Here, as it's a model, we cannot actually produce biogas. So for the biogas output, this LED output powered by this solar panel shows that this biogas unit is a working model and everything here is this unit is powered by this solar panel and the battery for backup. This shows that the fertilizer for the crops is freshly produced from the farm waste. So the farm waste is reused in the form of organic manure. Next up, we have this hydroponic farming system where crops are grown in water. The roots of the crop will be directly grown in water and the water is actually mixed with rich nutrients needed for the plant growth. In this manner, the plants will grow faster and healthier. So it it is a closed loop system. From this water reservoir, the water will come through this pipe into this hydroponic plate and the crops will directly soak the water. The plant crops will get the nutrient rich water and the excess water which is not absorbed by the plants will go through this pipe into the same reservoir and this cycle will be continued so that it will make a closed loop system so that the 90% water will be reused again and again. This pump is powered by the same solar panel. Here the solar energy will power this pump and the water here is going into the crops from this pipe and from this return flow pipe the water should come back into the same reservoir through this pipe. This pump is powering this water reservoir. This water will go through this pipe and the roots will directly absorb the water. Through this nutrient rich water, the plant will grow faster. And the excess water which is not absorbed by the roots will directly go back into this reservoir through this pipe, returning flow pipe. This returning flow pipe, the excess water which is not absorbed by the roots will come back into the same reservoir. The applications of these models are, it can be used in the places where there is a big scarcity of water and in deserts, in kitchen gardening and in rooftop gardening and in many more areas where water should be sustained and there is a scarcity of water. To conclude, AgriCycle is a eco-friendly farming system where everything is saved and utilized for the other. In this manner, we can develop our country for reaching the goal of STEM for Viksit and Atma nirbhar bharat. To make our country self-sufficient, this farming model produces no harmful gases or pollution. It is completely eco-friendly, and this model contains no plastic. It is completely made up of household waste and stationary items which are completely friendly for the environment and for our country. Thank you so much.